Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to add open to work in LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let's get started. So we all know that LinkedIn is one of the most popular professional platform or the professional website where you can connect with other professionals across the globe, and also you can find the job, or you can also post the requirement that if you are hiring for the job on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, and suppose if you are looking for the job and if you are looking for the new opportunity, so there is one option in the LinkedIn platform like the profile picture, it will show like you are open to the work. Okay, that means like whenever if any recruiters or if anyone is hiring and if they see your profile and if they see that you are open to work, means that means like you are looking for the new opportunity, means it will show like this. It will show in a green tag that you are open to work. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to tell you like how you can add that to your profile picture, so that if anyone is hiring and if they see your profile that you are open to work, means there is a lot of chances like they might contact you for the opportunity what they are hiring and what you are looking for. Okay, so now I will show you like how you can add for that. So once you log into your LinkedIn account with your username and the password, so once you click on your name, so it will take you to this particular page, and here you can see open to work, add profile section, more. Okay, so click on this open to work, open to. That means like here you are finding a new job. If you are hiring, you can just click on this. But in this case, I'm going to tell you like for finding the new job. Okay, so click on that. That means here it's showing like show recruiters and others that you are open to work. So click on this particular option. So here you can mention like what kind of job you are looking for. Okay, so here I will take one example, like I will just mention it as analyst. Okay, so here you can set analyst, and here you can select what type of job look you are looking for, whether you are looking for the on-site job, or you are looking for the hybrid job, or you are looking for only remote opportunities. Okay, and when it comes to the locations, like here you can add what kind of locations, like where do you want to work, whether you want to work in Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, or Kolkata, or any part of the world. Okay, because LinkedIn is a platform like it will be having the jobs across the globe, not in only specific location. Okay, and here it is mentioned as a start date. That means like you are casually looking for the job or you are seriously looking for the job. Okay, if you are seriously looking for the job, means here you can select the first radio button immediately. I'm actively looking, I'm actively applying. Okay, and the second option is flexible. I'm casually looking. That means like you are already having a job, but still you are looking for some kind of other opportunities, like some kind of better opportunities than the opportunity you have right now. Okay. And once you scroll down, so here you can see so many types of employment types, whether you are looking for the full-time job or you are looking for the part-time job, contract job, internship, or you are looking for the temporary job. Okay, so here you can select what are the type of the jobs you are looking for. You can just select it whether you're looking for a full-time, part-time, or contract, any kind of job. Or if you're a student, if you are looking for the internship, you can select the internship as well. Okay, so when it comes to the visibility, like who can view you are open to work. Okay, so this is very much important to understand, because suppose if you are already working in one of the reputed company, okay, and if you just mention it as like you are open to work, that means like all the people all the LinkedIn members can view that you are open to work. Okay, so in this case it becomes if you are looking for the other opportunity, and if you're still working in one company, and if that company people sees you, means like it will feel some kind of like a bad impression, like you are already working, that means you are looking for some other opportunities. Okay, so here you can select like visibility, like whether you want to show that you are open to work only to the recruiters, like limited people using the LinkedIn recruiter. Okay, so while they take the steps not to show the recruiters at your company, we can't guarantee complete privacy. Okay, so that means like the recruiters, only the recruiters can view that you are open to work, but it will not show to your company recruiters. That means like the company which you are already working, it will not be shown to those recruiters. But still, they have even mentioned that we can't guarantee complete privacy. Okay, that means like they can't 100% guarantee you that to keep that details privacy. Okay, and here if you select all LinkedIn members, that means like includes recruiters and people at your current company. Okay, so this section adds open to work photo frame. Okay, that means like the photo frame will get the open to work. If you select recruiters only, it will not show like, it will not show like with the photo frame with the open to work. But if you select all LinkedIn members, it will show open to work. Okay, so in this particular case, I'm just taking an example, like we'll just click on this particular option, all LinkedIn members, and I will just save it. So once you save it, so here you can see like before it was not having this tagline open to work. Now you can see that it is the photo frame is having open to work. Okay, and suppose if you want to remove this tagline, or if you want to remove the photo frame with this green tag open to work, means like again you can just click on this pencil icon in the open to work section, and here you can just click on this delete option. So once you click on delete option, like whatever it is having open to work frame, photo frame with this tagline, it will get deleted. Okay, so now you can see like it has been removed. Okay, so this is how you can add open to work in the LinkedIn profile. You can also remove that from your photo frame. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.